In this video, I'll show you how to automatically save Outlook email attachments directly into OneDrive using Power Automate, so you never have to manually download files again. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Power Automate, which is make.powerautomate.com. All right, let's jump straight into this. So on the left-hand side, you will have My Flows. You will click on My Flows. Then you will see New Flow. So you want to click on that and you want to click Automated Cloud Flow. So now let's give this a name. I will call mine Save Email Attachments to OneDrive. Then you would choose a trigger. So we will put when a new email arrives. Click this one and then click create. So then this screen will appear and now we have when a new email arrives. In this section, we want to make sure our email is inputted. So there I am. And then on include attachments, we want this to yes. That's done for this section. Then we want to click on new step and we want to create a file. So then we want to click on create file, OneDrive for Business. Now I have already created a folder within OneDrive called Attachments OneDrive. So I will now look for this folder. There we have it. That's that. The file name will be attachment name and then go back on it, and file content will be attachment content. Then we will save our flow. So the flow is ready to go, as you can see. Now, if we go into my emails, now we're in our emails, we want to send ourselves an email to test this. So we'll put in our own email address and insert a file. This can be a JPEG, PDF, zip file. I'm going to choose a JPEG file. And there we have it. And then we're going to click send. And this will now send an email to ourselves. JPEG image has now come through into our folder. This is just such a quick, easy way to get all your files in one place. If this was helpful, like and subscribe and look out for the next video. Thank you.